So tell us more about FlightBridge.
Sure. So FlightBridge is a leading trip logistics and travel booking tool for private aviation. So we are 100% tailored for this community and this industry. So our tools make it easy for anyone in private aviation, whether it's FBOs, flight departments, aircraft operators, or individual pilots, can use FlightBridge to book discounted hotels, to arrange ground transportation, including car rental and chauffeured options, to order catering, and to place FBO and handling requests. And you can also buy airline tickets for crew repositioning and training. So part of the magic of FlightBridge is that we are integrated with so many of the systems that people in the aviation world are already using, such as trip planning programs like Leon.
And the idea of integrating with Leon, where that came from?
Yeah, that came directly from our customers. So we have several customers that were using Leon for trip scheduling, and so we had a way for them to import their trips via a file upload. However, this new integration that we've been working on, that we're unveiling, will remove that manual step. And so trip information will flow directly from Leon into FlightBridge without any other intervention. So when you add a trip or make changes to a trip in Leon, the information will flow seamlessly in real time into FlightBridge. And then you can use that information then to make all your service bookings. And then the information then flows back into Leon. It populates the appropriate checklist item and marks that checklist item as done.
All right. So, and would you say what's the most important benefit of using this integration?
Sure. So with FlightBridge, you can save time. You can reduce errors, you can keep your passengers and crew happy, and you can also save a ton of money. So with the time savings that you get from having the trip synchronization and the service information going back into Leon, you'll save so much time that way. It also eliminates errors. One of the biggest challenges in aviation is when things change. So when a flight changes, there are all these services that you need to update. And so FlightBridge has an alert system. We'll alert you to any changes that happen and let you know about any service items that you have that might need to be amended or canceled. And so we can totally remove that headache for you. So also, crew members can book for themselves using our app, using the FlightBridge app, and also we create profiles for all the travelers, including passengers and crew. And you can add things like credit card payment details to the profiles, any travel loyalty programs that includes hotels, car rentals, and airlines, so that when you're making the bookings, all the appropriate details, the loyalty information gets sent along with those bookings so that your passengers and crew can get the benefits of the loyalty programs that they belong to, that they expect and they deserve. So, and also, we have over 6,000 discounts, both FlightBridge discounts and FBO discounts in FlightBridge. And you can also, if your company has their own discounts, you can. We're happy to add those for you, so you can get all the benefits and all the savings that you can. You can literally save thousands of euros, thousands of dollars by using FlightBridge.
And we need to add that this integration is coming quite soon.
Quite soon, yeah. Hopefully, with people are going to kill me, but in the next couple of weeks. So, but it should be really soon. And if you want to see it in action, I'm here. We're at the camp booth, booth 485. If you're not at the show, you can go to flightbridge.com and you can easily schedule a demo at your convenience.
Thank you.